special spice in it. Yes, this is my creamy curry chicken breasts. Yes, creamy curry chicken breasts. This is my Winston GeL. Okay, and let's go. Put some hot pepper in here. And then the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the cream, coconut cream. I got a little bit and the that. It's all chicken breasts, yes. All chicken breasts. All the liquid is from the steam and chicken breasts. Didn't add any coconut cream as yet. You're watching the Winston GeL cooking. And it's very easy. Get some hot pepper now. Some hot pepper. Cream. Ready. Alright, I'm going to add my coconut cream. Pour the cheese in here. This is my creamy chicken breast. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Please support the channel. Please subscribe to the Winston GeL cooking. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you enjoyed this cooking journey. Here today on the Winston GeL cooking and discovery team. You're watching the Winston GeL cooking and discovery team.